So this is the continuation part of the last worksheet video we are solving. So what I am telling, whatever the displacement I am getting from first time interval and the second time interval, that will help us a lot. So if let initial displacement is in time t and displacement s prime in time t prime. Clear? These are the two things. So if I am having this one, so I can write what? I can write s equal to ut plus half at square. Now both having a t, so if I take, because in this expression I am having s by t, remember that in this expression I am having s by t, so from this is one equation where from where I can get also s by t. Let's proceed like that. So t take common, so u plus half a t equal to s, so that if I involve that, so s by t will be equal to u plus half at, s by t equal to u plus half at. That is the first thing. Copy it down, please. I am telling, please copy it down. Now coming from the for the next one. Next one is that it is covers a distance s and s prime in consecutive interval of time t and t prime. Clear? Now in the next time, if my that what I am telling, that displacement is s prime, so that time displacement s prime, for s prime will be u prime t prime plus half a t prime square. Am I clear? T prime square, because this time the initial velocity is not equal to the first one's initial velocity. Am I clear? See, when it is coming from the fast, so first time interval, this was the initial velocity. Now when I am going for the second time interval, obviously that with the first time interval initial velocity will not help us, because at that time the velocity will be something different, might be equal, but that condition not given. So we are taking here a different velocity, that is we are taking as u prime t. Done. Now if we are taking u prime t, now see, I am telling what, when an object is moving, I need my marker's cap. When an object is moving, so this is suppose an object is moving, see the red ball, so it is right now here u, here v. Now when it is at v, again this is within time t. Now after that it is moving within t prime. So right now for this second instant of time, this v serves the initial velocity of this time interval. Am I clear? For the next time interval, suppose I am giving an example, suppose I am increasing my velocity, suppose previously my velocity was 10 meter per second square. So it is my 10 meter per second square. 10 meter per second. Here my velocity is 20 meter per second, and after completing this path, my velocity is 40 meter per second. So if I am considering this portion, this is my initial, this is my final, and if I am considering this portion, this is the initial right now, and this is my final, means my purpose of telling that this u prime is the final velocity of this motion. This is the initial velocity of the second motion, and this is the initial velocity of the final motion, the final velocity of this. So here what is initial, that was sometimes before final for the first motion. Clear? I am talking about this. So if I am going to confess this by v, means suppose since, that will be better, since initial, write down, otherwise you will forget, initial velocity for t prime is the final, please write down, velocity interval, that was the initial final velocity for t. Clear? Acha. Probably up to that, please copy. I am rubbing. So what I can write? I can write that. Acha. I can write that then u prime equal to v equal to u plus at, u plus at, u plus at. I think no confusion. I can write that like this. So that what? U prime equal to u plus at, where u is that one. So in this equation give equation number 2. Okay. And the equation what I got just right now, that is s by t equation what I got, give it equation number 1. So please do that. So if we put u prime in equation 2, then what I am getting, s prime equal to, that is u plus at, within that t prime plus half a t prime square. No confusion. Now I am rubbing the other part of this equation. So this part not needed. Okay. So if I do that, what I am getting? I am getting u t prime plus a t prime plus half a t prime square. Yes or no? These whole things I got. I think without any confusion I can write. Now from everywhere, if I got t prime common, if I am taking t prime common from every section, so if I got t prime common from every section, what I am getting? So if I am getting t prime common, so I will get, that is equal to t prime u plus at plus half a t prime into t prime. So that t prime will come into this side. So s prime by t prime equal to u plus at plus half a t prime. Clear? Now simple things, I got these two. So what I will do, I will put this in the given equation. Means only this part I will first calculate. This part, this the numerator part I will first calculate, and let's see what does happen. So what I am getting, therefore this is equation 3. Give. So subtracting equation 1 from 3, what I am getting, that is s prime by t prime minus s by t. S prime by t prime minus s by t will be giving me that whole, that is u plus at plus half a t prime minus s by t probably what I am having, s by t means that will be u, only u plus half at square, so half at will be, yes, u plus half at, that is my expression. Okay, so subtract this whole, what I am getting, u plus at plus half a t minus u minus half a t. Okay, I missed something here, some prime or something here at t prime I missed. Okay, so what I am having, see, this will be cancelled out, u cancel out without any confusion. I can cancel out this one. Acha. Another thing, we are having a half at. So half at if I am having, so at minus half at means only at will be there. Clear? At minus half at, only at will be there, plus half at prime, plus half at prime. Acha. u minus at half at minus u minus half at. Okay, so I am having what? I am having here a common we are having. So I am rubbing this part, already done probably. So we are having s prime t prime minus s by t will be taking a common, so t minus t prime by 2. Now t minus t from here, t minus t prime by 2 can be written as a into 2t minus t prime by 2. That can be written 2t minus t prime by 2 without any confusion. So that can be written as a by 2 into 2t minus t prime. Okay, a by 2 into 2t minus t prime. Hey, wait for a while. We have done one mistake here. Oh. Achha, this 80 minus half 80 will be 80 by 2. Oh, so it will be no problem. So please, sorry for that. One mistake. So it will be a take common. So it will be t by 2, t prime plus 2. So a by 2 done. Here only done a mistake. Please do correction. So t prime plus t prime. So we are having that is 2 by 2 into s prime by t prime minus s by t by t prime plus t equal to acceleration. Clear? So next question also done. Please copy down.